It's time to put some epoxy primer on this thing. Okay, first coat. It covered pretty good. You know, that first coat. Of course, we're not going for perfect on this truck. We're just going for preservation, to preserve it. So we didn't worry about getting it just dialed in smooth. So you gotta realize this truck came out of a field fire. Got so hot it melted the lead where they join pieces and parts, and burnt the paint off. Sat there and got a bunch of surface rust on it. So we prepped it, put some new corners on it. We're priming it, getting this thing ready to rumble. Paint it white to match the box. Okay, second coat of primer is on. Gotta wait a good day or two before I top coat it. Oh yeah. I think it's gonna preserve this old truck pretty well. I know it will. Make this thing last another 50 years.